When you create a space in Google Chat, you automatically become the space manager. Space managers have diamonds next to their names in the member list and message stream. As a member of a space, you can add or remove members. As a space manager, you can also assign or remove other space managers. You can also delete messages within the message stream, even if you didn't send them. If the need arises, space managers can also delete the entire space. Access to spaces can be restricted to only people in groups who have been added. When people are connecting based on shared interests in specific topics, it might be helpful to make a space discoverable. Discoverable spaces let anyone in your organization find, view, and join them. When spaces are discoverable, you can use a link to join these spaces and invite people to spaces you're already in. To retrieve the shareable link for a space you're a member of, click the space name, and then select Copy Link to this space. Space managers can edit the space description and manage access to the space. You'll learn how to manage who can access a space in the next lesson.